Damn. Damn, it's a stick shit too. Oh, it's a right-hand drive, bro. Damn. That shit wet. A la verga. Then we got the Honda Civic. Honda Civic. I don't even know, bro. Bro, you know this shit legit one cuando it's from like Montana? Montana? Yeah, they imported over there. Damn. And it says perm on it. I think it's like just a little permiso or like permission or something for right now. Who knows? Damn. Fast guys. Damn, dude. Got the matte black going. That's crazy. Para YouTube, nah. Damn. We out here, bro.
The hard part is just like
Nos van a meter al bote a la ver. Oh, no, that's fine. Yeah, dude, this shit hella wet, bro. Sheesh. Hey, gotta get the good shots. Nah. Oh, damn.
It's not summer right now. I don't feel like it. Yeah, we used the bright color definitely helping.
Mira, para que traigas las moras ahí. Dude, that's clean. Para que traigas las moras allá, bro. They got like 3 cups. I'm like, oh, the chandelier. Well, they put it in the bag. This one doesn't have it, but damn, dude, this. The F2000. Oh, this one got a roll cage. That's clean. Damn. Is it a manual? I can't see. It's a manual, right? I can't even see. Oh yeah, it does look like. Damn. Bags. Damn. Damn, bro. Cash out? Nah, I got $1 for the whole car. Nah, that's fine. Damn, even got the hood half open, bro. You know it's serious. Nah, that's fine. Oh my god. Damn, got the neon green too. Nah, I'm fine. Stock. Hey, bro, the battery's modified.
No, mommy, the battery bracket.
Hey, bro, that battery's from Costco, bro. You know. Nah, that's fine. Oh, yep, the cop right there. Hey, that guy over there. Hey. No, no. Acá, señor. Nah. Aquí, policía. Nah. Swing it. Sideshow. Nah. It's chopping, bro. Sounds like popcorn. Sounds when I go to the movies, bro. Al extremo, mataron a... Damn, bro, that many people for just one person? Damn, bro. Chee! For real? Oh, damn. Damn. Hands up is crazy, dog. What are you talking about? Damn, they're telling him to step back. Damn. No mames. No mames. For real, bro. Telemundo la ver. Yeah, right? Ew, Telemundo la ver. Whoop, whoop. Is this on the police?
Edits.
For what? For it? Hey, bro, it's gonna go to your car and shit? Damn. No, that's fine. Damn, bro. Like, adding the drama. For real. Damn. Nah, that's fine. Damn, this motherfucker gonna be a pullover too, bro. Nah, I'll play. Damn. Ya vinieron los latinos. Nah, that's fine. Damn, bro, still minutes later, la verdad. Damn, bro, they need to ladder up the car me for real, bro. No está pasando nada, la verdad. No, es que... Probably stealing all the cars right now. What? Hey, they're stealing the catalizadores. Stealing the cats right now, bro. Damn. Cuffed up. Oh, he's going in the car. Oh, he's going in the whip. Nah, that's gonna...
Living your life without the possibility of growth.
Oh my gosh, bro, don't even see
I'd
it.
kill myself. Losing all that time
No mames. Damn, la ver. Ya no le sirvió la madre.
You hear the beeps?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yup. No sirve. No sirve esa madre. No. No sirvió esa madre. No sirvió esa madre. No, that's fine. The trunk no sirve. Bro, like mine like just goes down hella quick, bro, cause no se soporta, bro. Like you could lift it up, but no se
This one got
soporta.
the little hinges that supposedly does it by itself, but I think they're like worn out. Because I have to manually do it.
Bro, that's legitimately so. Beep beep beep. It's gonna explode. It's gonna explode. Ah. What's good with y'all? It's one from the future again. This time with a haircut, but it's actually July 11th on Saturday at 6:33 p.m. And dude, I just wanted to say there's no outro, so you know I don't know what. I'm barely about to edit this vlog right now, just like the last vlog, which was the World Cup vlog. But I edit that right now. As you know, this outro. You know, like basically I'm about to edit this right now, right after this outro. But I just wanted to say y'all that again, I'm trying to bring y'all more content, and maybe I didn't show too much, like, you know, for me holding the camera up and everything, because again, I respect like people's privacy and everything. So you know, I'm trying to get better at that though, because it's like, you know, there's other vloggers I see that, you know, they just take the camera and, you know, like people might look or whatever, but it's like, you know, they might think in today's age everybody kind of knows what a vlog is. And even, you know, you see people like, you know, recording with their phone all the time, you know, like, or it's like, you know, if you're like at a, you could be anywhere, man, at a club, at a restaurant, you know, people just get their cameras and they kind of like, you know, they kind of like go all around and stuff. So, you know, I feel like it ain't really that big of an issue. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to do this outro real quick, because I mean there was no outro. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed, man. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whatever time you watch this. And as always, man, I love y'all so much, man, from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, y'all, follow your dreams no matter what you want to do in life, and be kind out there, man. We need more of that in the world. But yeah, y'all, love y'all so much, man. It's been your boy, and I'll catch you on the next one, man.